Title: Grievance. Addressing concerns and seeking resolution. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word grievance. A grievance is a formal complaint or concern, often related to a perceived injustice or wrongdoing. It signifies the process of expressing and addressing concerns to seek resolution. Pronunciation. Pronouncing grievance is simple, ʻɡrievəns, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, an employee may file a grievance with their employer to address a workplace issue and seek a fair solution. Importance. Grievances are essential in maintaining fairness and justice in various contexts, from the workplace to the legal system, and they provide a means to address and resolve concerns. Conclusion. In summary, grievance is a word that represents the formal process of addressing concerns and seeking resolution when one believes they have been treated unfairly. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the significance of grievances in upholding fairness and justice in society.